Hi, Joe Devo again, and welcome to another Digital Portal PH tutorial. Today, I am going to help you create a Bitly account. But Bitly, you can turn this link into a much shorter and readable link. Let's go now to bitly.com and we'll start creating our free Bitly account. Let me show you the feature of each Bitly plans first. From here, you can decide in the future to go from a free plan to more feature-rich plans like the Basic, Premium, and Enterprise. Let's go over them and see what plan suits you. But for now, we'll create a free account and see what Bitly has to offer. Click on Sign Up for free. And from there, you will be asked to input a username, email, and password. Be sure to remember and save these login credentials. After completing the sign up form, proceed by clicking on the Sign Up with Email button. After clicking the Sign Up button, you will be asked how will you use your links. Will you use it for work, personal, or both? In this case, it totally depends on you. In my case, I will use it for work. So I'll click on Work. Input your first name. And then, your last name. I will also input the organization I belong to, which is Digital Portal PH. Now, select your title or position in that organization. And then, the department you belong. Also, provide the number of people in your organization and the things you are looking to do with your Bitly account. And then, click on the Save button. Congratulations, you have successfully created your free Bitly account. You're now ready to create your very first shortened link. Before that, don't forget to confirm your email address. Log into the email account you provided and look for the Bitly message and click the Confirm button. Thank you for watching. For more related content, please visit digitalportalph.com and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to our official social media sites. See you in our next tutorial.